Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn that how to give a speech on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in 550 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Speech on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Pankaj Soni. And I wish you all a very happy Independence Day and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This year is very special for all of us Indians because on this day our country is completing 75 years of independence from the slavery of the British. As we all know that our country became independent on 15th August 1947. In the joy of completing 75 years of independence, India is celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav for the last 1 year, and this festival will be celebrated till 15th August 2023. There are many purposes of celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, such as remembering the freedom fighters, remembering the sacrifices of the freedom fighters, making today's generation aware of the independence of India, inculcating the feeling of patriotism among the citizens of India. And it is very important for people to know the achievements that India has achieved in the last 75 years. Most of the young generation of India is not well acquainted with the freedom struggle of India, such as what challenges did our country face to get freedom and how many people sacrificed their lives to make the country independent. After so many struggles and difficulties, we got this freedom. It is very important for the young generation of today to know the history of India's independence because we are the future of the country. Our country got independence from the British after 200 years of slavery. For almost 200 years, our freedom fighters fought with the British and faced many difficulties. Even our freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives to independence India from the slavery of the British. My heartfelt salute to all those freedom fighters because the independent life that we are living today is the gift of them. Great freedom fighters of India like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, Tatya Tope was born in India. All of them played an important role in the independence of India. We all should know the value of freedom so that our generation and the coming generation can get courage to face the challenges facing the country. Stories of freedom struggle must be taught in school so that children can understand the history of the country's independence and the importance of independence. Our country had completed 75 years of independence and in these 75 years our country has achieved many achievements. India is progressing continuously. The economy of our country is a very fast growing economy. There was a time when after the partition of the country, the economy of our country had become very bad and it became difficult to run the country. But on the strength of our continuous efforts, our country is standing in front of the world as a strong economy today. Every citizen of India should participate in the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and this campaign should be made successful by participating in the outgoing campaign Har Ghar Tiranga during this festival or during this event. Today on this holy occasion, let us take an oath that we will always protect the freedom of our country. We will continuously take our country in the right direction and we will definitely contribute toward the development of our country. जय हिंद, जय भारत। बेस्ट ऑफ लक।